Priyanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. We are here in Pune and today we are covering a very luxurious project that is situated right on Pune-Mumbai highway in Bani. Well, the name of this project is Merlin Ventana. So, there is so much to talk about this project. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Right behind me, you can see we have the Mumbai-Pune highway, and then after the highway, we have a 12-meter wide service road, जो कि अभी under construction है, and after the construction, it will become 24-meter wide. So we have a huge space after which our project starts. Now, if I talk about the locality, then we have everything in the close vicinity, right from schools, metro station to hospitals and shopping marts. If I talk about it then, we have Manipal Hospital, Bencare Mother and Child Super Speciality Hospital, Sunshine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Jupiter Hospital in the vicinity. Educational institutes such as Vibgyor High School, National Institute of Construction, Management and Research are within 3 minutes of the project. There are malls and entertainment such as D-Mart, Phoenix Mall, Balewadi High Street and Zion Mall in the vicinity. The land parcel of Merlin Ventana is around 3.5 acres, out of which 0.5 acres, that will be the front patch of land, will be dedicated for commercial area, that is a future development. And right behind me, over here you can see there is a patch of 3 acres where we'll be coming up with residential project. There are 3 towers over here, out of which only B and C towers are launched right now. A tower will be launched in the future. That will be coming up as second phase. अब अगर मैं बात करूँ B and C towers की, so we have 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. There are very limited inventories of 2 BHKs, so we are not gonna talk about it. We'll be focused on 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. Let me explain you the elevation of this project, which is very interesting. So we have 7 levels of parking over here. 3 basement level parking, then lower ground, then ground floor, and then we have 2 podium level parking that is double heighted. The height of these podium level parking are 20 feet. That your apartment, the ground floor of the project actually starts from the 7th floor. And as I've showed you the construction site and the land parcel of the project, around the land parcel, we have low-rise apartments. That means none of the units will suffer. All the apartments will get beautiful view of the surrounding. The tagline of this project is the window to world-class amenities. Obviously, we have to have beautiful world-class amenities over here. So we have 40 plus state-of-art amenities spread across 5 levels in this project. The structure of these buildings are Vastu compliance. All the apartments over here are either east-facing or west-facing and will get to see beautiful view of the sunrise and sunset from the rooftop. So on one end, we have huge infinity pool from where you can enjoy the sunrise. And on the other end of the rooftop, we have sitting gazebos where you can enjoy the sunset. Well, here is the miniature of our project. Let's understand it in detail. There are 4 apartments on each floor along with 3 lifts and 2 staircases in each tower. The rooftop of all these 3 towers are connected with never before luxury amenities. The rooftop infinity pool has a view of 180 degrees. That is 3-side open. There are grand, double-heighted, air-conditioned entrance lobbies with waiting area for each tower. We have amenities on the lower ground floor, first podium level, second podium level, and on the rooftop. Recreational amenities include kids play area, pool tables, carom table, air hockey, foosball, and much more. Sports and fitness amenities include table tennis, yoga, aerobics deck, gymnasium, rooftop jogging track, basketball court, cricket practice pitch, and squash court. Leisure amenities include guest bedrooms, reading nook, steam room, mini theatre, kids pool, the infinity pool, and acupressure walkway. There are social amenities such as banquet hall, party lawn, cafeteria, chit-chat corners, rooftop social zone, co-working spaces, outdoor work pods, and many more. Here's a sample apartment of 3 BHK comfort. The carpet area of this apartment is 1,134 square feet. Come on inside and have a look around. So right at the entrance, first of all, we have smart lock, and then after that, we have our foyer space. The size of the first space is 10 by 4. And after that, on my left hand side, we have our guest bedroom. The size of the guest bedroom is 10 by 12, and this is how they have managed it. We have a bed in the center. On that side, we have huge wardrobes, and still we have enough space to move around and play with the space. You can add planters over here or maybe a small sitting over here. Then we have these huge windows to maintain ventilation and sunlight. And after that, over here we have our washroom. The size of the washroom is 5 by 8. Sanitary fittings are by Jaguar over here, and whatever you see inside the washroom will be provided except the mirror. After the guest room, this is how the living area looks like. The size of the living space is 11 by 17, and we have the balcony attached to it. The size of the balcony is 11 by 4, and it is quite a huge space. You can play around with it. They have added a coffee table and sitting area. We also have wooden flooring over here and these glass railings. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It is very premium. Plus, one more thing that I would like to mention, all the glasses used for either windows or for the balcony are noise resistant. They resist over 80% of the noise. The size of our dining area is 11 by 9. They have added a 4-seater dining table, but you can add more seats to the space because we have enough area for it. And then after that, here's how the kitchen looks like. The size of the kitchen is 8 by 10. It is pretty huge. We have L-shaped working island and the slab will be provided. Along with the kitchen, we have the utility space. The size of the utility area is 3 by 10. And we have huge windows over here that are with mosquito net. You also get the telecom facility along with the flat that has the capacity to record over 30 days of footage. So even if you are out on vacation, your home will be secure. That was all about the common spaces. Now let's have a look at the kids' bedroom. Here's how it looks like. The size of this room is 10 by 12. And again, we have huge windows over here to maintain sunlight and ventilation. This is how the kids' bedroom looks like. They have added a bed, there is a study table, and they have wardrobes and storage space all around. Now we are gonna have a look at the final bedroom, that is the master bedroom. But before that, let's have a look at the common washroom. The size of this washroom is again 5 by 8. Plus we have here a dedicated area for wash basin. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. The size of this bedroom is 11 by 13 and it is pretty huge. So we have the bed in the center, side tables, along with that, obviously the huge windows, and over there we have our wardrobes. This room has an attached washroom which looks like this. The size of this washroom is again 5 by 8 and you will be provided with rain shower in this washroom. There are 3 different size options in 3 BHK apartment. First is of 1066 square feet. Second is this one, that is 1135 square feet. And there is another option of 1158 square feet. The starting price for a 3 BHK flat is around 1.58 crores. The other configuration is of a 4 BHK. The size of that is 1456 square feet and the starting price for that is around 2 crores. The possession for this project according to RERA is in December 2028, but according to builder, it will be delivered to the consumers by December 2027. So yeah, if you are interested in this project, then do connect us right now on the given number on the screen, or you can connect us through WhatsApp. The link is given in the description box below. And that was all about Merlin Ventana. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys well, and I hope you liked the video. If this video was informative to you, you can go through our channel and find more such amazing videos of Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Noida. We are coming up in different cities. So yeah, if you are interested to invest in real estate, this is your channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.